Hello friends, welcome to FingerTips. We are back with another interesting video for you guys. So, are you the one dreaming of entering the world of digital marketing? Then this video is exactly for you, because in this video we will be discussing what digital marketing is and its type. But before starting with the meaning of digital marketing, you must know what marketing is. Many of us think marketing is sales, that marketing is advertising. Don't worry, I used to think this too, but it's not. Instead, sales and advertising are just the part of the marketing process. I'm sure you might have already gone through many definitions of marketing. But let's see what the father of marketing, Philip Kotler, says about it. Marketing is the art of exploring, creating, and delivering the value to satisfy the need of target market, that too at a profit. Wait, that was just the definition. Let me give you a few examples to make your understanding more clear. For example, Starbucks uses the tactic of writing the consumer's name on the coffee. That is marketing. Your favorite local shop organizing the sale and giving discounts. That is marketing. McDonald's giving free toys along with the Happy Meal that you buy. That is also marketing. See, marketing is always around you. However, this process doesn't end here. It involves a wide range of aspects like branding, advertising, promoting, distribution, and even sales. So, this was all about the marketing. I hope you get the concept. Now, let's see what digital marketing is. Digital marketing is a component of marketing that uses the internet and online-based platforms. This type of marketing involves using websites, mobile devices, social media, search engines, and other similar channels. For easy understanding, let's take an example of a very famous brand, Mamaearth. The brand understood the high usage of social media and thus decided to focus on digital marketing by being active on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. They not only created their strong website presence, but also made their products available on Amazon, Nykaa, and Flipkart. Apart from these, they also used influencer marketing and celebrity endorsement. So, with the power of digital marketing, the brand achieved a high amount of recognition and success. Do you know that digital marketing can be performed in two ways? That is paid digital marketing and organic digital marketing. Organic marketing is a strategy that naturally attracts your audience to your brand or business. In contrast, paid marketing uses SEO, social media, and a variety of other channels to increase brand awareness. But like me, you might also be wondering, why do businesses have to shift to digital marketing? Here's the reason. According to a report published by the Times of India, the average number of hours spent by a user on a phone is more than 4.5 hours per day. Yes, you heard it right. The world has now become digital, and digital marketing has replaced traditional marketing. With so many social media apps, the audience generate enormous data and information, which helps understand the audience's mindset and select the target consumers accordingly. And targeting a larger audience and increasing the reach at the correct cost is much easier with various components of digital marketing. Wait, confused about what these components are? Okay, let's discuss some of them. Starting with the first one, that is PPC. PPC stands for pay per click, which means placing the ads on search engine and paying for the advertisement only when it's clicked. The two reasons companies love to use the PPC form of digital marketing are speed and ease in measuring and tracking the insight. I bet you're already interacting and watching the PPC ads. Let me tell you how. Suppose you search for best headset, you will see this PPC ad section. The moment you click on the Apple or both brand, Google will charge them, and that is what PPC means. Apart from PPC, content marketing can also be used to attract more customers. Content marketing is creating and distributing engaging content to attract and retain the customers. I'm sure you guys order food from Zomato. The brand is known for its creative content marketing strategies. It creates and regulates the content that connects with the audience in one go. Zomato launched various successful campaigns like Order for Her on Mother's Day and Zomato No Cooking Sunday to boost the company's number of orders on the weekend. This is what content marketing is about. The next component is social media marketing. Many of us, including me, spend so much time on social media. These platforms can be used as a marketing platform. It is used to build a brand and connect with the audiences. Many brands make the maximum amount of sales from the social media apps. Even small businesses that have no physical presence but a solid social media presence are earning their profits. For example, you often come across sponsored stories and post ads on your Instagram feed. This is social media marketing. Now, the other medium of digital marketing that can be used to grow business is video marketing. Research says that we all prefer to consume the data quickly in the video format as compared to the audio and written content. If the business demonstrates its product correctly through video marketing, it can effectively increase the brand's reach. Let's understand this with the example of Coca-Cola. The brand introduced the campaign Share a Coke and started the video marketing campaign of sharing the Coke with a friend, brother, father, and many more relations. The result of this campaign were phenomenal and there was a tremendous boost in the sales. In order to reach your target audience, you can also use SEO, which is our next digital marketing component. SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. There are various search engines like Yahoo and Bing, but 90% of people use Google as a search engine. SEO is the process of optimizing your website to rank higher on a search engine result page. The optimizing process can be done with an organic method such as targeting the right keywords in the content and even with paid strategies to get listed on the top of the search engines. This will build the brand and help you attract the right customers. The last but not the least component is email marketing. Email marketing targets a specific group of people and uses the medium of emails to promote the business's product and services. The best example of email marketing is restaurants and hotels. They are often seen sending mails offering a discount on the occasion of consumers' birthdays or special events to promote the brand. It is one of the easy ways to reach a global audience at a low cost. So, this was just a brief of the main components of digital marketing. The concept is a large domain and of course is very interesting. I hope this video helped you in understanding the concept of digital marketing more clearly. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to our channel by hitting the bell icon and stay tuned for more such content. Till then, happy learning!